Hey, Jalen. Okay, so today we are going to do this activity for science, and we're going to be talking about some animals and where they live, or their habitat, as we call it, and trying to sort them out and see where they go. So this is the same activity that I'm going to be giving you to do at home. And so we're going to go through it together here, and then you're going to practice it on your own at home. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at each different setting, and we're going to try to figure out which of these animals belong in there. So the first one is the farm. And think about what kind of animals live on a farm. Let's see, pigs live on a farm. Who else do we see on a farm? Do you think we see tigers on a farm? No, I don't think so. Tigers aren't on a farm. What about a cow? Cows are on farms. We get milk from cows. And let's see, chickens. Chickens are on farms. And let's see, do we see an elephant on a farm? No, we don't see elephants on a farm. Let's see. Sheep. Sheep are on farms. And sometimes we see ducks on farms. So I think that's all the farm animals. Okay, so the next habitat we're going to look at, or the place where you might find different kinds of animals, is a zoo. So think about the zoo and what animals you might see at the zoo. And it's going to be different from our last place, or the ocean, because we're going to talk about animals that live on land in the zoo and live in the water in the ocean. So let's talk about the ones that live at the zoo first. What animals live in the zoo? How about a tiger? Tigers live in the zoo, and so do zebras and monkeys. And what about seals? Sometimes you might see a seal at the zoo, but I think the seal is better suited for the ocean in this activity. So let's see, we have elephants. Elephants we see at the zoo, and giraffes we see at the zoo. So the last place we're going to look at is the ocean. And all of these animals you'll find in the ocean. There's a jellyfish, an octopus, a whale, that looks like a whale, and a seal. Oh, and we forgot one, and a crab. Crabs live by the ocean too. And now, then you're going to, once you have all your animals sorted, you're going to go over here and you're going to hit submit. And it was right. So that is what you are going to do on your own at home. And you can always go back and replay this if you need help remembering which animals belong where. And good luck. See you later.